Hello, welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am going to do a quick couple of tiles with two colors of blue and the white topper. So I have Arteza Ultramarine Blue and I have Amsterdam Cyan. So that is what we were going to use today. I already have everything mixed up and we are ready to go. So here's our pillow paint. Just going to do one at a time. Get that out of the way. All right. Yeah, I just pulled the press and seal off of this. I love that stuff. I have never used it before, but somebody else was telling me to put it over top for this blooming technique for the different ingredients. And so I'm like, yeah, it works good. Okay. Oh, I forgot my gloves, guys. Hold on just a second. Okay, got them. They match the colors we're doing today. All right, we're gonna start with the dark blue. My dog hears me talking in here, so she has to shake her collar so that we know that she is here in the house and she is important, in case you forgot. Her name's Maggie. She is important. All right. All right, here's my topper. It has been sitting here for a couple days, so I added like 2 or 3 drops of water. I'm hoping that it's the right consistency. If it's not, then we will add a little more water. I think it's good though, hopefully. You never know till you blow. Or at least I never know till I blow. Okay. I see a couple bubbles that I want to pop before I blow. There we go. All right. Straight down and out. Topper looks good. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Woohoo! All right. While we're waiting for that to rise up, I could go ahead and put the pillow paint down. Okay. Wow, that is stunning. This is so funny because I was really just doing these tiles to test my topper because I want to do another experiment that I want to work on, but I didn't want to waste that. I needed to test it out on the tiles first, and I am loving it. All right, let's see, I think it's ready. Yep, it's moving. Let's just get it stretched out then. Okay. Okay, I got it back in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and go this way first. Doesn't really need much. All right. All right, on the next tile, I think I am going to put down the Cyan first and then the Ultramarine Blue. You know how I like to experiment to see how the colors are going to be different in different order. All right, come on. Okay. Take it back to the middle. All right. Now, the final corner. All right, let's take it back to the middle. Slide it back down there. All right, wow. Woohoo! I love that. Of course, I will bring you in for a close-up after we get them both done. Just set that one aside for now. All right, putting down the Amsterdam Cyan. Now the ultramarine blue. Now our magic topper. Magic cell activator. All right. Down and out. Whoa, look at that. It's crazy. Wow. All right. That's what we have. We are going to give it just a couple minutes and then we'll get started. All right, let's see if it's ready. I think the very middle is still stuck. All right, bringing it back to the middle. Before we start on the sides, all right, we're gonna go this way. Just put a little bit of paint right there on the corner. Yeah, it slipped away from me. I was trying to wipe the bottoms, the bottom edges. Well, I'm tilting, that doesn't work. Silly me, getting impatient. All right. Bring it back to center. All right, guys, there it is. Tell me what you think. All right. Let me get you down here for a close-up. Okay, here is the first one. It's amazing with all that very vibrant ultramarine blue. Looking gorgeous. I thought I was in love with it until I met the next one. See how fickle I am? Now I'm in love with this one. I love how the cyan's coming through so much. And look at all that lacing. This is my favorite part right here. Whoops, not getting a very good angle on it. of shadow. All right, look at that. Oh, right there. That should be a close-up. Just frame it right there. Oh, so many cool parts. I love doing these. It's so much fun. You really, really honestly just don't know what you're going to get. But you know it's going to be amazing. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.